we are going to talk about some Chinese four-letter phrases. First one is 一言难尽. Can you guess what does that mean? 一言, it means one word. 难尽 means difficult to end. It means one word is hard to explain all the things. Means something is very indescribable, it's complicated, or it takes too long to fully express something. We can use some examples. For example, your sister who never cooked, and one day she cooks something and it tastes very indescribable, it's very not so tasty. So you can say her food is very 一言难尽. It's an adjective, so you can use it to describe everything you think is hard or is awkward to express. We have some measures to take to fight against this situation. For example, we have 长话短说. It means to make a long story short. 长短, 长 is long, 短 is short. 话 is words, 说 is say, speak. 长话短说 means if you have a long speech, just make it short. 长话短说. We can use it in a lot of situations. For example, explain to your friends how you win the game. A lot of stories in it.
Later.
And 长话短说 make a very key movement and you win the game. So that is to make a long story short. 长话短说.
Nice.